Junkies, welcome to EminiJunkie.com, your ES Trading Mentor's free trading video for Monday, April 11th, 2011. Today we had a total of 5 executable trade signals for a max potential of 10 ES ticks. This video is for educational purposes only, is intended to highlight our high probability trade setups and give you a feel for the quantity of trades taken each trading day using this approach. A full trading plan and daily live trading room can be accessed via our website at EminiJunkie.com. Okay, we opened up this morning and we were in a overnight range that started, really it was all part of the range that was going on all last week. We started up inside that. We opened up this morning, there was a signal to the long side. The first candle that pulled back here was no fill, and the market went ahead and went on to its target. So we're going to record that first trade as a no fill. Then the market gave another setup. This one we ended up with a long signal right around 10 o'clock. We were able to get our first contract off, no follow through to the upside. That Globex high acted as resistance of that upper edge and continued to push the market down. Ended up with a T1 -2 on that particular trade, but that set us into a signal to the downside, which ended up firing and hitting targets 1 and targets 2 for 6 ticks as we pushed down into our half gap and 1 tick in front of our 415 gap. Got a little bit of a bounce there, got a signal to get long. Again, another one of those situations where we were pushed to the upside. We actually hit our target to the tick. No fill on that T2, ended up coming down, stopping us out to the tick before ultimately going what would have been our full contract target. So because of the adjustment after the first contract and hitting to the tick and coming all the way back, we ended up with a T1 -2 on that particular trade, and then we hit our lunchtime dead zone. We do not initiate any new trades during the dead zone. We kind of let the market do its thing, usually because there's lighter volume and higher volatility, and the market, you can see, did push down and actually was making some new lows on the day of that point, came through our moving average, gave us a signal to get long. Again, another situation where we were able to get our first contract off, stopped out to the downside, T1 -2, and as the market came through that moving average, gave a nice signal to get short, and that did hit targets 1 and targets 2 to the downside for 10 ticks as the market continued to push down into a longer term support level before finally bouncing at the end of the day. So all in all, we have to be happy with the way the system performed, as we were in a range environment. We came off that Globex high and then ultimately pushed down and made some new lows on the day. 5 trades for 10 ES ticks. I want to thank you for watching. For more details on this plan, including all the chart setups, or to join our live trading room and video newsletter, please visit EminiJunkie.com or just simply click the link at the top of the screen. Thanks, and make it a great day.